Good morning, everyone. Good morning, our traders again. And we here for Omaha, Nebraska stock overview. And here we see US dollar jump up a little bit to 103 and NG down to $65 for one pair. That's pretty good. I love it. Hopefully they come back to $50 and the financials up is 22 ticks and indicate it's a little bit lower, 76 ticks higher, and the goal up is 1,000. It's going to be up, and it's already like $1,998 for an ounce. I'm saying it's going to be $2,000 soon. And here we see is silver's up to, and the food price is going down a little bit. So when you can see on here, like it's the SP 500. In here we see as add up 2 point, but it's right now they add up like 10 point. And Nasdaq on here we see is as of 3 point, but right now the number I see right in front of me like 10.2. And Dow Jones on here they say 21 point, but right now is 114 points. Remember, Tesla is on Dow Jones, and that's one thing I want to remind everyone. Those depend on Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and S&P 500. Depend where you stock at. They based on the route. Depend, like let's say NVDA is S&P 500, but Tesla is in Dow Jones, and they have to stay on that. It depends, like Dow Jones up and they up, Dow Jones down and they are down. So it's been down like last couple of weeks, and it's right now time to going back up again. So in here, like the Populars ETFs, it's not today. We not do an QQ anymore. And today, if you want to get ETFs, EFV is the best one and the cheap one, easy to hang with. For today is $45. It's buy at 45, and you can sell at 46, 47, even though 48 later. And right now you can see that Dow Jones started to go up 120 points, and today is seen pretty good day so far. And with overview, I can see on here in the U.S. It's look pretty. It's kind of green so far. In Canada, it's not. In Asia, it's not. In Europe, it's some. The FTSE and DAX and CAC is up, but another one's not. Like Germany is up a little bit, but. So in option today we see a lot of put, but when you see the put as mean in the future we buy put, but it's today is right now is call is going to be make money, but hopefully this week is going to be a green week for all the analyzing. But this market has changed, but it's right now hopefully as strongly because like. Especially Bitcoin is start to going back. It's $28,000 for a share now, or you can call it coin. So BTC is going to back to $30,000 because like right now it's a lot of bank in the US have a problem because they've been support donkeys so much, and now is everything pop out, and they have to like deal with the bankruptcy problem. and until they have it, they cannot hire anymore. And a lot of investor and shareholders going to be draw their money out, and they're going to be put on Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin is the king of the coin. But and after that, come down to the end of the year, it's going to be a problem again, and Bitcoin is going to be under 20K again. It's one more time. And here we can see on communication service, you see there's a much higher one, and energy is the lowest one. 100% red and 96% for industrial real estate and healthcare, utility too, and utility gas price. A lot of Americans around the country that's complaining about the gas price. All the gas company should fix the price. It jumps so high, and it's ridiculous. It's pretty impossible. And on here, FRC is going to be have a problem again, because a lot of shareholders already draw them like every day, like 40%, 50%. Like their stock is dropping every day, around 20% every day. Whatever happened out there, they need to fix that problem. Otherwise, it's going to be bankruptcy. Well, with the list, like nominal bank system is going to be pretty bad. And we're gonna see on here the big one, giant one like Amazon, Microsoft, NVDA, Apple, and MA, and like BA for Boeing, and GE for General Electric. Those that's pretty good gain for today. And Tesla, Apple a little bit dropped this morning, but it's going to be back later because it's with the trending number, it's going to be gain pretty much so far anything, but it's not included on the bank. And here we can see Dow Jones, SP 500, Nasdaq, Russell, SP 500 Wix. It's a tiny drop a little bit, but DAX, CAC for EX, FTSE, like everything end up, it's pretty much green so far. Let's see what's going on right now with, Dow Jones is getting up for 135. It's going to be 140 soon, 150. As soon as possible, when the market keep going this, in a week, and the Tesla is going to be 200, 220, even though 250, you never know. Pretty impressive move in Tesla. They can move like $10, $20 a day. Pretty easy, especially here we see Bitcoin. It's going to be up to 30K. It's very soon. And we can see in here like currency, US dollars up, most of them like up compared with a lot of currencies around the world. So the currency up is a good side for energy dial. And somehow energy going to be, new contract. And with the new deal, and a lot of states right now start to produce the oil. They make it because they don't care for Pharaoh, but they have it, they use it. Pharaoh want it, Pharaoh use it. The state want it, state use it, because, state priority sources belong to the state. It's more than Pharaoh. Yeah, even though like Pharaoh is the controlling, but when the state need that, usually the state use it. And the trending list on here, you can take a screenshot and see on NVDA, Tesla, and those two on the top of the list. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. See you guys tomorrow.